In this video, we will discuss example questions with description related to probability density function, that is PDF, probability mass function, that is PMF, cumulative distribution function, that is CDF. First, we will discuss the example of cumulative distribution function, that is CDF. The cumulative distribution function denoted by f of x measures the probability that the random variable x assumes a value less than or equal to x. That is f of x is equals to this term. If the random variables are discrete, so we will use this formula, f of x is equals to sum of all the probabilities of x. If the random variable is continuous, so we will use this formula. Some properties of CDF are: f is non-decreasing function. If a is less than b, then f of a is less than equals to f of b. If f of x is equals to 1, so limit x approaches to infinity. And if limit x approaches to negative infinity, so f of x will be equals to 0. So we will use this term to solve the problem. So let's move toward the problem. The life of a device used to inspect cracks in aircraft wings is given by x, a continuous random variable assuming all values in the range x is greater than equals to 0. The CDF is given as follows. Here the continuous random variable are used, so we will use the formula of continuous random variable. We have to calculate the probability less than 2 years. Less than 2 years means the upper boundary is 2 year and lower boundary is 0. So we will use this term. After that, a becomes 0 and b is equals to 2, as a is lower boundary and b is representing upper boundary. So we will put a and the value of a and b in this term. So it becomes p of 0 less than equals to x less than equals to 2 is equals to f of 2 minus f of 0. After that, to compute f of x, so we will use this term as it is given in question. F of x is equals to 1 minus e to the power minus x upon 2. So f of x is equals to 1 minus e to the power minus x upon 2. For f of 2, we will put here 2 and 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out with each other. So f of 2 become 1 minus e to the power minus 1. Similarly, for f of 0, we will put x is equals to 0 here and f of 0 become 0. After that, we will put the value of f of 2 here minus f of 0 here. So we will get this answer. Now we will use the same example and calculate the probability between 2 and 3 years. So here the lower boundary is 2 and the upper boundary is 3. So a become 2 and b become 3. So after that, we will compute f of 3 like this. X is equals to 3 and we will put the value of x and get f of 3 answer. Similarly for f of 2. And then put the values here. After that, after calculating this term, we get this answer. Expectation or mean. Expectation of a random variable is an important concept in probability theory. If x is a random variable, the expected value of x is denoted by e of x. So if x is discrete, so e of x is equals to sum of all the value of x into probability of x. If the random variable are continuous, so we will use this formula. For nth term, we will use the same formula, but here we will use the power e x to the power n, sum of all the value of x to the power n into probability of x. And for variance, we will use v of x is equals to e of x square minus e of x ka whole square. So let's discuss the problem related to PMF. Consider the experiment of tossing a single die. Define x as the number of spots on the up face of the die. After a toss, then r of x become this. हमने एक डाई लिया, उसको जो है रोल किया, उसके बाद उस पर जितनी भी वैल्यूज़ आई उसको आर ऑफ एक्स मतलब एज अ रैंडम वेरिएबल कंसिडर कर लिया 1 to 6. अब यहाँ पर मुझे वैल्यूज़ गिवन है, तो यहाँ पर हम डिस्क्रीट वेरिएबल का फॉर्मूला यूज़ करेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पर रेंज नहीं दी हुई. तो यहाँ पर सबसे पहले हमारे पास जो x की वैल्यूज़ गिवन है वो हम यहाँ पर लिख लेंगे. x इज इक्वल्स टू 1 2 3 4 5 6 यहाँ से देखकर. अब हम इन सारी वैल्यूज़ का जब टोटल लेंगे x की वैल्यूज़ का, तो हमारे पास आ जाएगा 21. फिर हम जो है इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे। प्रोबेबिलिटी कैलकुलेट करने का फार्मूला होता है, ये फार्मूला होता है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर हम क्या लिखेंगे, 1 डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल सम ऑफ वैल्यूज ऑफ x दैट इज 21। सिमिलरली फॉर 2 के लिए भी यही होगा, 2/21, फॉर 3/21, 4/21 एंड सो ऑन। So to compute the mean we will use the discrete variable formula that तो यहाँ पर ये फार्मूला है, ये sum of all the value of x into probability of xi। इसका मतलब सबसे पहले हम जो है x और probability of x की वैल्यूज़ को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, उसके बाद इनका जो है हम सम निकाल लेंगे ऐसे, जस्ट लाइक 1 into 1/21, 1 into 1/21 plus 2 into 2/21 plus 3 into 3/21 and so on। After calculating this we will get 4.33 as expected value of x। Now to calculate the variance, v of x is equals to e of x square minus e of x। we have calculated e of x value, now we will calculate e of x square। For e of x square we will use the same table, the same terms, but here we will take the square of x term, means 1 into 1/21, so we will take the square of 1। Here 2 into 2/21, so we will take the square of 2 and so on। After calculating this value we will get the answer of e of x square is equals to 21। Then we will put these values in this formula, e of x square is equals to 21 minus e of x is given as 91/21। After calculating this we will get the value of v of x as 2.22। After this we will calculate the standard deviation। Standard deviation is equals to under root of v of x। So after taking the under root we will get the standard deviation answer 1.49। In the second example we have these terms, again we will use the same formula, 101 into 101/621, 102 into 102/621, the 621 is sum of all the value of x। Okay, and then after computing this we will get the answer of e of x is 103.52। To calculate the variance, again we have to calculate e of x square। For e of x square we will take the square of x value and multiply it with the probability of x। 101 square into 101/621, 102 square into 102/621 and so on। So we will get the value of e of x square is equals to 10721। Now we will add these values in this formula, e of x square minus e of x value। Okay, after this we will compute the value and get the answer 2.915, and then we will calculate the standard deviation, that is root of v of x, and this answer। Now we will discuss the problem related to PDF। In problem 3, the life of a device used to inspect cracks in aircraft wing is given by x, a continuous random variable assuming all values in the range x is greater than equals to 0। So the PDF is given as this, and we have a continuous random variable, so we will use the formula of continuous random variable, that is this। Okay, here f of x is given as 1/2 into e to the power minus x/2। So यहाँ पर हम f of x की वैल्यू लिख देंगे e to the power minus x/2, और यहाँ पर ये जो कांस्टेंट है इसको हम बाहर लिख देंगे। आफ्टर दैट आफ्टर अप्लाइंग इंटीग्रेशन वी विल गेट दिस। अब ये आंसर कैसा है इसको हम यहाँ पर डिटेल में देख लेते हैं। e of x is equals to 1/2 दिस टर्म। जब हम इंटीग्रेशन अप्लाई करेंगे तो सबसे पहले इस टर्म पे अप्लाई करेंगे, फिर हम e पर अप्लाई करेंगे। तो 1/2 एज इट इज़ रहा, x एज इट इज़ रहा, e टू दी पावर माइनस x/2, इसके ऊपर जो कांस्टेंट वैल्यू है वो क्या है -1/2, उसको हम डिनोमिनेटर में लिख लेंगे, और फिर ये जो 2 है ऊपर जाके इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, कैंसिल आउट होकर हमारे पास ये टर्म आ जाएगी। सिमिलरली फॉर दिस e टू दी पावर माइनस x/2, हेयर -1/2 विल बी रिटन इन डिनोमिनेटर। तो यहाँ पर जब 0 मैंने पुट किया तो 0 एंड e टू दी पावर माइनस 0/2, तो 0 से जो भी चीज़ मल्टीप्लाई होती है तो वो 0 ही आ जाती है। और जब यहाँ पर मैंने 0 पुट किया तो e की पावर 0 बराबर होता है 1 के, और 2 1 ज़ा 2, तो यहाँ पर we will get e of x value is equals to 2 years. Similarly we will calculate the value of e of x square. तो e of x square के लिए भी हम सेम जिस तरह हमने e of x के लिए इंटीग्रेशन अप्लाई किए इसके लिए भी अप्लाई करेंगे. So we will get the answer is equals to 8. After that we will put these values in the formula v of x is equals to 8 minus 2 square, that is equals to 4, and after calculating its standard deviation we will get the answer 2.